The animal kingdom's behaviors that defy logic, honestly, not even your trivia-loving uncle could imagine.
The peregrine falcon reaches speeds of 389 kilometers per hour in a dive. The honey badger is known for attacking fearlessly everything from lions to cobras. The crow remembers human faces that have harmed it for years. The octopus has the largest brain relative to its body size. The bee hummingbird of Cuba lays eggs the size of a pea. The stonefish has a venom that can kill a human within hours. The saltwater crocodile has the most powerful bite, 3700 psi. The koala sleeps up to 22 hours a day. The Greenland shark can live over 400 years. The African cicada emits calls of 120 decibels. The beaver builds dams that can be over 800 meters long. The male seahorse is the one who carries the eggs and incubates them. The gecko has pads on its feet with over 1,000,000 microhairs. The blue whale reaches 180 tons. The dragonfly has existed for 300 million years. The mouse can have 100 offspring per year. The electric eel generates up to 600 volts. The Arctic tern migrates 70,000 kilometers a year. The cockroach can live a week without its head.